How to remove safe search in Google Android. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on disabling your safe search on Android. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now to begin with, open up a Google Chrome web browser. After that, you'll be able to see interface something like this. Right on this page, you need to tap on the three-dot icon from the top right, scroll down a bit and go to settings. Once you tap on the settings icon, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to see multiple different options. Over here, scroll down a bit and go to privacy and security. Once you tap on the privacy and security page, you need to go to the section that says security. On the security, you have safe browsing. So tap on safe browsing. And right over here, you can see right at the bottom you have no protection, not recommended. So if you want to turn off your or disable your safe search in Google, just tap the button and you can see this is something like turn off safe browsing and all that. If you're sure about it, then tap the turn off button, and as soon as you've done that, you have successfully disabled your safe search on Android. So in this way you can disable your safe search on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.